The government has notified a special economic zone for Tata Semiconductor manufacturing in Dholera, Gujarat, marking India's first chip fabrication facility. About Dholera Semiconductor says. The Dholera Semiconductor Special Economic Zone in Gujarat is India's first dedicated area set up to manufacture computer chips and related electronic products. It is located in Dholera, Gujarat, and is being developed by Tata Semiconductor Manufacturing Private Limited. The SEZ is created to support the production of semiconductors along with electronic hardware, software, and IT services. It covers about 66 hectares of land and is planned American Samoa, a large industrial facility for high-technology work. The project is expected to create around 21,000 jobs, mainly for engineers and skilled workers. The proposed investment for the chip fabrication unit is approximately 91,000 Indian rupees crore. It will provide modern infrastructure and easier government approvals to help companies set up and run operations smoothly. It is an important step for India to start manufacturing its own chips and reduce dependence on imports. What is a semiconductor fabrication plant? A semiconductor fabrication plant, commonly known as a fab, is a highly advanced manufacturing facility where microchips are produced on ultra-pure silicon wafers using nanoscale precision processes. The work is done in very clean rooms to avoid dust and contamination. Complex processes like photolithography, doping, and etching are used. These chips are used in smartphones, computers, vehicles, defense equipment, and artificial intelligence systems. It is one of the most technology-intensive industries in the world. Policy framework supporting semiconductor manufacturing. The establishment of the Dholera SEZ is part of a broader policy effort under the government's semiconductor mission to attract high-value, capital-intensive investments. To support this sector, the government has undertaken several reforms in the Special Economic Zones framework. The minimum land requirement for semiconductor and electronics SEZs has been reduced from 50 hectares to 10 hectares. Regulatory flexibility has been introduced in land encumbrance norms to ease project implementation. Free-of-cost supplies are permitted to be included in net foreign exchange calculations, improving project viability. Domestic sales in the domestic tariff area are allowed subject to applicable duties. These reforms are designed to attract capital-intensive industries and improve ease of doing business in the semiconductor sector. Other semiconductor and electronics SEZ projects. Along with Tata's chip fabrication plant, several other projects have been approved to strengthen India's semiconductor ecosystem. Micron Semiconductor Technology India is setting up a semiconductor assembly, testing, marking, and packaging facility in Sanand, Gujarat, with an investment of around 13,000 Indian rupees crore. Ecos Group is developing an electronic component manufacturing SEZ in Dharwad, Karnataka. Kane Semicon and CG Semi are investing in assembly, testing, and packaging operations with investments of 681 Indian rupees crore and 2,150 Indian rupees crore respectively. These projects are expected to build domestic value chains and reduce dependence on imported semiconductor components. Strategic significance of the Dholera Semiconductor SEZ. The Dholera Semiconductor Initiative holds substantial strategic and economic importance for India. Strategic technology sovereignty. The semiconductor industry is critical for national security, digital infrastructure, and industrial competitiveness. Establishing domestic fabrication capability reduces reliance on global supply chains. Boost to manufacturing ecosystem. The Dholera SEZ is expected to develop integrated manufacturing clusters covering design, fabrication, testing, and packaging, strengthening India's electronics value chain. High-skilled employment generation. With an estimated 21,000 jobs, the project will create opportunities in high-technology fields such as chip design, process engineering, and clean room operations. Reduction in import dependence. India currently imports a large share of its semiconductor requirements. Domestic production will significantly reduce vulnerability to global supply disruptions. Global positioning in semiconductor industry. The initiative aims to position India as an emerging global hub for semicon.